Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, when I try to open Microsoft Edge on my Lenovo laptop, I couldn't be able to open Microsoft Edge browser. So I really needed it. It is saying like install Microsoft Edge, but it's already available on my computer because this is Microsoft Windows 11, so this will be pre-installed. Say for example, if I click on the search here, this will directly open on the Edge browser only. This is Microsoft Edge browser only, but couldn't be able to find even in the apps section also. See here, these are all the apps, right? And here also when I search like Edge, no results. For this you can get back this in two ways. First is search anything here, like even for Edge also, then click on see more search results. That will eventually open this Microsoft Edge browser. You can right click on this and you can click on pin to taskbar. Okay, right now I am unpinning this. I'll close this. If not, press Windows logo plus R, so this will open the run command. Again I am saying press Windows key with the combination of R on your computer and just type this msedge. So Microsoft Edge, the shortcut command msedge, hit enter. So in this way also you can open. Once it is open, just minimize this. You will have this in the toolbar in the bottom section. Just right click on this and just click on pin to taskbar. So in this way you can get back this Microsoft Edge browser if it is missing from your Windows startup. So yeah, I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you feel this is informative, I just expect a like from you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.